Got my tank buried. Pretty much I'm going to do like a concrete pad around the lid to make sure no dirt comes up around it. I've got this big mound of dirt over here down. I got to run a gas line over along this wall this morning. And that way I can get rid of all this dirt, and then we can bring some gravel in. I want to do 3 to 4 inches of gravel, and I can start getting ready for my pad. I've got all my lines kind of coming back into my mechanical room. Kind of look at them. The 2-inch pipe down there is for the overflow. If my tank gets too full, it'll overflow and actually go down into the sewer. The blue 3/4 inch lines is the fill lines. So one line is for the pump to suck it out to use the water to water our garden. The other line is just for a natural fill from our city water line. And over here is kind of like my radiant cooling. So down on the bottom on the black, I buried 800 feet, and on the blue over there I buried 300 feet. So that's I'm trying to use the ground to cool my building and to cool a food storage room we're gonna have upstairs. All this other stuff is got to be cleaned up. Got to finish my plumbing because there will be a shower, a sink, and a toilet in this. And I got to tie it into the blue or the blue-green pipe coming up over there. The one yellow pipe you see is a gas line from natural gas from the house. And my other gas line is going to run in this trench over here, coming over, and it'll be from propane tank sitting way back over there. I'll move that propane tank closer. But so in my mechanical room I'll have natural gas and propane. So I have 2 different sources of gas, I guess you'd call it. There's Rocky over there checking out the area. He likes, I guess, the more level spots so we can run around and goof off. I've been out here getting my gas line in. So that's it running right there. It'll probably have 3 inches of dirt on it and probably 3 inches of gravel, then 4 inches of concrete. And here it is down here. It comes up, and what it's called is a riser. It goes from the plastic to steel, and that'll come up and then go to the outside. Code wise, you're not allowed to bring gas into a building. You got to come up first to a riser and then penetrate after the concrete, and I'll show you a little more of that later. But I'm just burying it down. Didn't have good coverage, and then I cleaned out around my tank head. I'm gonna go get some concrete and pour the concrete in this, and then go over here to this corner and try to figure out all that stuff in the corner.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.